Do affirmations this way to unlock ancient powers. 100% results. Hi, everyone. Robert Zink, your miracle mentor and alchemy success coach. And I have to say, when I discovered in my own journey how to integrate affirmations with the ancient chakras, I was absolutely astonished at how fast, how easy it became to manifest money, abundance, relationships, friendships, business opportunities. It's absolutely astonishing. When you use this technique I'm about to share with you, which combines the ancient chakras, and we'll get into chakras in a moment, and your affirmations, you're going to unlock a power within yourself that is almost unbelievable. Your manifestations will become more complete. Your manifestations will be more permanent. Your manifestations will happen faster and with less resistance. Chakra is Sanskrit for wheel or cycle. And there are 7 primary chakras on the body. There's actually many chakras on your body or energy field. But we're only going to talk about the 7 primary chakras because they're the chakras that are going to help you unleash incredible manifesting power through your affirmations. In yoga teachings, chakras are parts of the physical or spiritual energy in the body. Chakras are thought to regenerate our physical, mental, emotional, and spiritual well-being. Think about that. Physical, mental, emotional, and spiritual. What you're doing is you're integrating your intention or your desires through an affirmation with those foundational keys, the physical, the mental, the emotional, and the spiritual. What we have found is that when a primary affirmation is attuned to the nature of the chakra, manifestation happens with almost no resistance. Now, the nice thing about this technique is even if you do not subscribe to the teachings, the ancient teachings of the chakras, even if you don't believe in it, this system will work for you. You see, what's going to happen is that the universe is more easily and with less effort going to give you exactly what you want because you are more completely aligned with your desires and these ancient powers that live within you. Now, I'm going to share this with you. I'm going to use 3 different examples. Of course, I want you to create your own affirmations and apply them. But I'm going to use an example for a specific person. I'm going to use an example for abundance. And I'm going to use an example for health and healing. So, high flyers, this is not a video on chakras. This is a video on manifestation. So I'm not going to go into great detail into the nature of each chakra. You can find that all over the place in tons of books and YouTube videos. But let's begin with the root chakra. And the key phrase here is I am. So what you're going to do is you're going to begin your affirmation with the words I am. That aligns you with the root chakra, with your foundation. Let's look at our examples. In relationship, I am in a deep, loving relationship with my specific person. Abundance, I am wealthy and rich. And finally, health, I am healing, healthy, and well. So all three of those examples relate to the root chakra. Now, we're not going to stop doing those affirmations. We're going to do them every day, but we're also going to do the next level up. Now, the next level up is the sacral chakra, and our key words are I feel. So when we use the words I feel, we are attuning ourselves to our sacral chakra. Let's look at our examples and see how our affirmations change a little. Relationship. I feel deeply loved by my specific person. Manifesting abundance. I feel the presence of money touching every aspect of my life. Health and healing. I feel healthy and vibrant. So now we have two chakras, one for the root, one for the sacral, but now we move on to the solar plexus. And our key words for the solar plexus are I create. Let's look at our examples again. In relationships, I create the loving relationship I desire. For manifesting abundance, I create opportunities that attract abundance and wealth. And for health and healing, I create an active, healthy mind and body. Next, right in the center, the heart chakra. And of course, the words are I love. Looking at our examples for relationship, we have I love being loved by my specific person. For abundance, I love the vibration of money and wealth. And for health, I love being active and healthy and vibrant. Next is our throat chakra. And this is where we learn to speak our truth. And so the two words that we use for the affirmations that relate and align with the throat chakra, I speak. Let's look at our examples again. For relationship, I speak only words of love between myself and my specific person. For abundance, I speak wealth into my existence daily. And for health, I speak only words of vitality and health into my life. Next, we are at the third eye chakra. And the key words are I see. So for relationship, our affirmation is I see a loving, compelling future between myself and my specific person unfolding. For abundance, I see multiple ways of attracting wealth into my life. And for health, I see a long life filled with an active, happy, and healthy lifestyle. Finally, the crown chakra. And the key words here are I know. Here's our examples. For relationships, I know that we will always be together. For abundance, I know wealth and abundance are my birthright. And for health and healing, I know that the health and healing I desire is the health and healing that I receive. Now, these key words for each chakra are very powerful. And you may have heard variations of them other places, but I've tested these and they work and they're effective and they're going to make manifesting whatever you desire so much easier. As you start to write your affirmations for various chakras on your body, I'd like you to share some down below. I'd love to read them. So what do you need to do? You need to get a pen and some paper and take inspired action. What is it that you desire to manifest? Write your I am affirmation. and then begin writing an affirmation for each chakra. If you need to go back through this video again, go ahead and do it. It'll help you and guide you. And then use all 7 affirmations each and every day. Do it for 7 days, and you will absolutely you'll be astonished at how fast whatever it is you desire shows up in your life. Remember, you're unlocking ancient powers within you, your own powers that are trapped within you by using this technique. Now, one of the things that I think is always good to have enough money to live the lifestyle that you desire. And so my next video will help you attract more money in just 33 minutes. Remember, money is good.